Hello squaddies! It is bright and early in the morning, which means it is a brand new day, which also means it's a brand new chance to get healthier, fitter, and leaner. I am going to keep my body burning with the foods I eat, and I'm going to show you every single one of those meals, starting with the first meal of the day, the most important, one of my lean favorites, which is just a cup of lemon water and a double espresso. So, a little sip of the lemon water. Tastes like lemony leanness, followed up by a classic double shot of espresso to get those energy levels up, to get me excited because we are going to smash today. I know you want some, don't you? You want some? Can't have it. Breakfast, also known as lean fast, and that is because I'm practicing intermittent fasting. If you have been following me, you know this is one of my go-tos. And why I love it so much is because it is such a good time management technique, and also it is an insanely good way to kickstart your metabolism, get your energy levels up, and get you excited about your day. But wait, Bill, you had 2 concoctions this morning. What were they? Well, neither of those concoctions break my fast. Firstly, I start my morning with a cup of lemon water. I pour some boiling hot water, squeeze a little bit of lemon, and throw a few ice cubes so I can drink it right away. And that is because lemon water has a ton of benefits, but my favorite is that it kickstarts your digestion and actually aids the fasting process. It gets your body burning your fat faster and quicker than ever before, and it has some benefits for my skin. If you can't tell, maybe you need to do a little zoom in. Get them really close there, yeah, see? It's like I'm 20 again, and that is from the lemon water. And then secondly, I follow that up with a cup of espresso. I have 2 shots of espresso every single morning, and that is because, well, I'm probably addicted to caffeine, but I also love the benefits. It blunts your hunger, so if you're fasting, it makes it a breeze. And secondly, it gets me excited for my morning. It makes me alert, it makes me awake, and I am ready to do my favorite part of the morning, which is my workout, with more intensity than ever before. It is one of the only proven supplements to enhance your performance. It increases your alertness and awareness, and that transfers into what? A better workout. So, without further ado, I've had my cup of coffee. It is time to get my workout done. So guys, still finding it hard to breathe, but that is the workout done for the day. It was only 45 minutes, start to finish, and my heart rate is through the roof. My body is burning. Remember, my body is depleted of its glycogen source, which means it is burning fat as its fuel source during that fasted workout. This is my favorite part of the day, which is the first meal of the day. So I'll see you back there in the kitchen. Ta-da! It is my favorite part of the day, which is the post-workout meal. We have to replenish our muscles, and the best way to do exactly just that is to dive into some carbohydrates. Now, I know what you're thinking. Phil, I didn't think you have carbs. I have carbs after every single workout, and they are vital to my nutrition and diet. Whole wheat is a complex carbohydrate. Avocado, which is filled with monosaturated fats. These fats allow our body to absorb other nutrients. Oh, and one last little fact. Avocado is the Aztec word for testicles. I just thought I'd leave you with that one. Ooh, it is snack time here in the office. We are all munching down on these energy bites. These are one of my favorite snacks for a whole host of reasons, but mainly because they are so easy to bring wherever you go. You can whip them up the night before and then put them in a Tupperware, whip them out of the fridge, have the leanness on hand, no matter how crazy or busy your day goes, which is really important. We want to keep our body fueled. Likewise, these are packed filled with protein, healthy fats, and fibers. Now, it is lean lunch time, and I have a couple of principles that I like to follow for my lean lunch. Firstly, if I have leftovers, I like to use them. That way I'm reducing time spent in the kitchen, and I'm also reducing food waste. Secondly, I like to keep them simple and easy to make. I had my leftover sausage, which is high in protein and also high in fats. Now, I don't have this all the time because, well, sausage and processed meats get a bad rep, rightfully so. However, this one was nitrate free, and I wanted to treat myself the night before. In this meal, I used frozen garlic and frozen lean trees. also known as broccoli. In frozen veg, the nutrients are trapped right when that food is freshest, so you lose literally none of them. You get them straight in the pan and they're going straight into your belly and you're gonna maximize the benefits. And now we're off to snack number 2. Woo! It is snack time number 2. Brody's making fun of me, but I forgot to plan any of the meals today. Like I said, this is a complete freestyle. So I'm going to one of my default favorites, which is a protein coffee smoothie. This one is so good, and it's also gonna give me that little afternoon pick-me-up from the caffeine, as well as tons of protein. There you have it, squatties. Protein coffee smoothie in minutes. Woo! Coming into the last meal of the day, say hello to my little friend, the Instant Pot. This is one of the easiest ways to make tasty yet quick meals. And I'm gonna whip up a curry for Brody and I with this easy, tasty coconut curry in the Instant Pot. So there you have it, squatties. That is officially how I eat in a day. And you can see I embrace everything: carbohydrates, protein, healthy fats. That's the way I approach my fitness. I certainly never, ever want to be restrictive. I feel the more restrictive you are, the more likely you are to fail. If you have any questions whatsoever, please fire away. I am here to help you. And make sure you check out the 6-week lean challenge. It is brand new and squatties are doing incredible. There is a full meal plan tailored to you, 40 recipes, no macro counting, no calorie counting. Everything is done for you. All you have to do is eat the leanest, and as well, I make a workout plan tailored to you, your fitness level, and your goals. And we can smash it together in 2020. All you gotta do is commit, and me and you will start that lean journey together. And last but not least, subscribe to the channel one last time in case you haven't already done so you never miss the leanest again, because there's so much more coming your way. I'll see you back here next episode.